This module is about the trauma-informed response for the justice system. This module is the base of everything that I train. It comes from knowing the information in this module. It can go for an hour and a half, 2 hours, sometimes we can even speed it up to be about an hour. But what it concentrates on are parts of the neurobiology that I like to call the BAM moment. And it's this moment in time where a situation can go from consensual to not consensual, from not traumatic to traumatic. Trauma is a normal response to an abnormal situation. And it can do some things sometimes to our brains. And we will record memories in a different way. We might act in a different way. Our bodies might react in a certain way. That can be counterintuitive to those of us in law enforcement or in the system. For example, tonic immobility. That's when somebody will have a response when we talk about sexual assault. If somebody puts a forearm across a victim's chest and they're unable to fight back or to react, a lot of times that's going to be the trauma response. And at that moment in time, our brains record memories in different ways. And sometimes you can have memories, sometimes they're gone. So we want to train about this moment and how the fawn response, the freeze response, the faint, the fleeing, the fight, there's so many different F's, but we want to show how to find those in our victims, but also how those affect us when that happens to us as law enforcement officers. We have the same sort of things happen to us. Trauma is trauma is trauma. So this is the basics and the foundation of everything that I train on. We'll refer back to this course.